What if I told you that Bitcoin isn't just about striking it rich? It's about building a financial foundation that lasts. Sounds intriguing, right? But here's the kicker. Most beginners fail not because of bad markets but because of avoidable mistakes. Let's flip the script and uncover the golden rules that will make your Bitcoin journey a success. Rule 1. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Here's the hard truth. Bitcoin is volatile. It can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. Beginners often get caught up in the hype, throwing in their life savings without a second thought. Don't gamble with rent money or emergency funds. Think of Bitcoin as a calculated risk, not a get-rich-quick ticket. Golden tip: start small. Even $10 can grow over time. Treat every dollar as a step toward financial freedom, not a lottery ticket. Rule 2. Understand before you invest. Would you drive a car without knowing how the brakes work? Of course not. Yet many beginners dive into Bitcoin without understanding the basics. Bitcoin isn't just magic internet money. It's a revolutionary technology with real-world implications. Master the essentials. What is Bitcoin? Hint: it's decentralized digital gold. How does blockchain work? Why is Bitcoin capped at 21 million? Knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. The more you understand, the smarter your decisions will be. Rule 3. Choose the right wallet and exchange. Think of your wallet as a safe and the exchange as your front door. Picking the wrong one? That's like leaving your life savings on a park bench. Hot wallets are great for beginners. Fast and easy but online, so vulnerable to hackers. Hardware wallets are the gold standard, offline and ultra-secure, perfect for long-term holding. Stick to reputable exchanges with strong security features, like two-factor authentication and cold storage. Pro tip: always back up your wallet and keep your recovery phrase in a secure, offline location. Rule 4. Stick to a strategy. FOMO, fear of missing out, and FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt, are your worst enemies. Bitcoin's price will rise and fall, it's part of the game. Without a strategy, you'll panic buy at the top and panic sell at the bottom. 2 beginner-friendly strategies. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Invest a fixed amount regularly, no matter the price. It's simple, stress-free, and minimizes risk. Hodling. Buy and hold for the long term. Ignore the daily noise and focus on Bitcoin's historical growth. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. Patience and consistency are your best friends. Rule 5. Avoid scams like the plague. For every legitimate Bitcoin opportunity, there's a scam lurking in the shadows. Phishing emails, fake investment schemes, and "send me Bitcoin, I'll double it" offers. Don't fall for them. Stay safe by following these rules. Never share your private keys. Ever. Double-check URLs before entering sensitive information. Research before trusting anyone or anything promising guaranteed returns. When in doubt, trust your instincts. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. The big picture. Building wealth, not just gains. Bitcoin isn't just an investment, it's a revolution. By following these 5 golden rules, you're not just buying into a digital currency. You're stepping into the future of finance. Every small, smart move you make today sets the stage for bigger rewards tomorrow. So, are you ready to turn these tips into action and become rich with Bitcoin? The journey starts now.